My name is Deaconess London with your word of wisdom for today. The scripture is taken from Ephesians 5 verses 13 to 14. But all things become visible when they are exposed by the light. For it is light that makes everything visible. For this reason, he says, Awake, sleeper, and arise from the dead, and Christ will shine upon you and give you light. We are reminded in the verses that it is light, that natural agent that stimulates sight and makes everything visible. I'm going to relate to you a scene that most of us are reminded of during the time we were children in the West Indies. Do you remember cockroaches? Well, if you were unaware of cockroaches living with you in a room, whether kitchen or bathroom, by the time you turn on the light switch, you can see them scattering in all directions to hide from the light. The light in us should always be beaming, so that there will be no dark areas in our lives which will become infested with undesirable and destructive elements. I implore you today to turn on your light switch and keep it on, so that others walking in darkness can visibly see Jesus and the fruit of the Spirit in you and glorify your Father in heaven. May you be blessed.